so this already has the radical isolated, so there's nothing to do to isolate it. Remember, radicals are 1/2 power, which means I'm raising each side to the 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Okay, same thing as squared. I like to kick that out immediately and write it twice. Less chance to forget and stick to the same system, hopefully. X squared minus 4x. That's the first time I've had an x squared under a radical. All right. But we'll see what happens there. Negative 4 plus 4 is 16. Minus 4x minus 4x. X and x is x squared. All right, so I've got that. Let's combine some like terms. X squared minus 4x equals 16 minus 8x plus x squared. Now, if I set this equal to 0 and solve it because I see an x squared, I'm going to show you one thing that's going to happen first. When I do that part of it, it's going to actually eliminate the x squared. So I actually do not want to move everything to one side. I actually want to move the x over here and get 4x equals 16 and then divide by 4. And I'll get x equals 4 as my answer. All right, that I have to check. All right, the x squared's canceled. And again, sometimes things like this happen. All right, so we have to be able to think along the way. So it's going to be square root 4 squared minus 4 times 4 equals negative 4 plus 4. That's a 0, okay? And then in here, square root of 4, got my parenthesis there. Don't need the parenthesis, but I put it there. Minus 4, whoops, 4 times 4. And I get a 0. So I get 0 equals 0. It works. 4 is okay. All right? So something different that happened, but I'm still just thinking as I go, being careful to solve things in a way that makes sense.